Hi, I'm Ralph Page. I'm at the Samtec booth at DesignCon 2025. Samtec has several 224G live product demonstrations at DesignCon 2025, including this one in conjunction with our friends at Cadence. The connector at the center of attention is a Samtec Bullseye test assembly. A Cadence 224G LR SerDes PHY transmits data at PRBS 32. It goes through 1.85mm to 1mm Samtec precision RF adapters to the BE90A on the ISI board. The signals then travel 100mm through a Samtec ISI board to another BE90A and then back to the Cadence SerDes for analysis. And as you can see from the results, performance is very impressive. The bit error rate is e to the minus 9 with a total loss of 34 dBs. Just take a look at the histogram, you can see just how good this performance is. The combination of the Samtec ISI board, the BE90A solarless design, and coax cable to board density provides an incredibly flexible configuration and value in the lab setting. The BE90A is a single body compression mount block, so it needs only 2 fastening screws. It's scalable. The high density coaxial array design allows more DUTs per square inch in the assembly, enabling multi-lane analysis. In summary, this configuration provides superior cost benefits, ease of use, and scalability for validating today's leading-edge silicon interface IP. Products like the Samtec ISI board, Bullseye system, and SciFly HD high-speed cable system are designed for 224 gigabits per second PAM4 and provide a pathway to 448 gigabits per second. If you have any questions, contact us at rfgroup@samtec.com. I'm Ralph Page. Thanks for watching.